Hello friends, today we are reviewing acrylic pastel color set of 6 priced at just rupees 150. This set includes 6 gorgeous pastel sets: soft peach, buttercup yellow, lavender purple, aqua blue, mint green and pale pink. Let's dive into the details and explore how you can use these points to enhance your creativity. These paints are water based and non toxic, making them safe for all age groups, including supervised kids. The quick drying formula is perfect for layered painting or tight schedules. You can work on multiple layers without waiting too long. They are incredibly versatile and can be used on multiple surfaces like canvas, wood, glass, fabric, paper, plastic, and even metal. The colors are vibrant yet subtle, giving your artwork a soft and elegant finish, ideal for modern decor and delicate designs. The smooth consistency makes application easy, whether you are using brushes, a sponge, or palette knives. At rupees 150, this set is still providing high quality pigments and affordable price point. The bottle size is just 15 ml each, which may not be enough for larger projects. Because the paint dries quickly, blending can be tricky if you are not fast. Or darker surface, you will need a white base coat to make the pastel shades pop, which can add an extra step to your process. This set is beginner friendly, but professional artists might find the pigment intensity slightly less than premium paints. Now, let me share some pro tips to get the best result. For blending, use a damp brush or a sponge to blend colors seamlessly. Work quickly to avoid a streak since the paint dries fast. For base coat, always apply a white base coat on dark surface to enhance vibrancy. Use thin brushes for fine details. You can even use a toothpick for intricate pattern. To make your art long lasting, apply a clear varnish or sealant once the paint dries. For fabric, use a fabric medium and iron the reverse side to set the colors. I am applying some water here to see if the paint comes off or not. The paint isn't coming off, not even with water, so yes, it is waterproof. Actually, it's first time I'm doing voiceover of my videos, so sorry for any mistakes.